G'day, Steve here from Smart Water.
Spike spotlights in a garden are primarily used to highlight specific features or focal points like trees, sculptures, plants, water features, pathways, etc. by directing a focused beam of light directly onto them, creating a dramatic accent and enhancing the visual appeal of your outdoor space. Azoogi spike spots are made with high quality die-cast aluminium body and 316 stainless screws. They include a heavy-duty spike and 1 metre of double insulated cable. Azoogi spike lights incorporate a high efficiency COB LED chip. They are IP67 weatherproof rated and they come with the standard 60-degree beam angle. Azoogi LED spots are a multi-source input voltage, meaning they can run on 12 or 24 volt, AC or DC. This gives you the flexibility to run off different power supplies. Available in warm and cool white and in 3 different power outputs. 3 watt spotlight, which is about 220 lumens, 7 watt spot, which is 500 lumens, and 12 watt, which is around 700 lumens. They come with a 5-year rust and corrosion warranty. These are a cost-effective and reliable spot, suitable for use in your next landscape lighting project.
You can find more info on our website at smart-water.com.au or speak to one of our product experts in store.